Hello students, good morning. Once again welcome back to our online teaching of St. Thomas School Maua, Standard 5 Grammar. We have finished chapter 8 revision exercises. Today we are going to start unit 9 exercises. Here unit 9, do you know past tense? In past tense, first simple past tense. Simple past tense indicates an action that took place in the past and is over now. So, as per that simple past tense, here given A and B exercises. Joseph lost his pen in school yesterday. Joseph is a third person singular. So we use lost past tense lost. In the simple past tense, we use with all the singular and plural first person, second person and third person subjects the verb past tense form. Lost, lost, lost. It's a irregular verb form. When we add ed is a regular verb form. We ate dinner, eat, ate. Zaira sent means sent, past tense form of the verb sent. Sahil drank, I read. Do you know? Read, read, read. Okay? Form sentences in the simple past using the past given. Here different parts they given. We have to form sentence. So in exam you have to write this sentence correctly. I meet yesterday Ayan Mukherjee at the park. So first we have to put subject I. Meet past tense form met. I met Ayan Mukherjee at the park yesterday. Arif and Sama missed the school bus twice last week. Ritesh did not come to school yesterday because he was ill. As per that, we have to form proper sentence in the simple past tense. Now we go as per exercise B. Exercise C. Past continuous tense. Exercise C, D. As per past continuous tense. Past continuous tense is used for actions that were going on at a particular time in the past. In the past, this action going on. Then we use past continuous tense. Do you know? In past continuous tense, we use was, were and verb form with ing. So, Sahid, was Miss Julia driving a car? They ask question. Sachin, no, she wasn't driving a car. She was walking along the pavement. Second, wear a pointed hat. Sahid, was Miss Julia wearing a pointed hat? Sachin, yes, she was wearing a pointed hat. This exercise as per picture, page number 43. So, we complete this exercise as per that picture. Now we go exercise D. Exercise D. Fill in the blanks with simple past or past continuous forms of the verbs given in brackets. The old woman forgave her son before she died. The servant was burning the dry leaves in the backyard. When I met Roger, he was wearing a black jacket. He already met the Roger. At that time, this action was going on. Which one? Wearing a black jacket. Romila typed the email ID and hit the send button. We were playing in the park. You promised to help me, but you didn't. Amit was typing an essay when Rahima rang the doorbell. Who removed the painting from the wall? Okay, you understand this past continuous tense. Now we go as per past perfect tense. Do you know past perfect tense? We use the past perfect tense to talk about a past action that took place before another past action already finished. In continuous tense, one action already finished and other action was in the past going on. But in past perfect tense, both the actions was already finished. It is formed by combining the helping verb had with the past participle of the main verb. In present tense, present perfect tense, we use has, have plus past participle. In past perfect tense, we use had. With all the subjects singular and plural, we use had plus past participle. We use the past perfect tense to talk about a past action that took place before another past action. It is formed by combining the helping verb had plus past participle of the main verb. So, before I reached the garden, Natasha had already watered the plants. So, I hope you understand these exercises. So, we discuss here. Surbhi had just entered. Had plus verb past participle form. Had slapped. Manish had just eaten. When Suman woke up, the sun had already risen. Do you know? We use past participle as a third verb form. Had read. Now we go as per exercise F. Fill in the blanks using the simple past or the past perfect forms. Geeta had forgotten to return my notebook, so she called me. Tarun wanted to complete the work. Silpa missed her friend who had gone abroad. Tanya received an award because she had scored the highest marks in the test. I had completed my work earlier, so I was not worried. Now we go as per exercise G. Fill in the join the sentences using the words given in brackets. We use whatever they given in bracket. The burglar escaped, then the police arrived. When? The burglar had escaped when the police arrived. The firemen fought with the fire for 4 hours. They brought it under control. The firemen had fought the fire for 4 hours before they brought it under control. The flooded river had washed away. Dr. Sony just had reached home. Dr. Sony checked the caller ID and found that the call came from the hospital. They had admitted a patient with serious injuries. Okay, बच्चे, I hope you understand this chapter. Chapter 8 as a present tense and chapter 9 as a past tense. Write down in your notebook these exercises full A to G. And in next video we will start chapter 10 future tense. Okay बच्चे, Take care, stay home, stay safe.